My name is Saranja. I am studying 8th class in MPU Pistol. The name of Chinganya.
A short monsoon diary, opposite words, first part. First,
Last.
stranger,
Fear. Familiar.
all,
None.
silent,
Noisily.
come,
Come. Go.
up,
Down.
perhaps,
Be. Definitely.
melancholy,
Cheerfulness.
conceal,
Will.
now,
Then.
with,
Without.
run,
Walk.
sister,
Brother.
some,
More.
genuine,
Bogus.
warm,
Cool.
humid,
Arid.
high altitude,
Low altitude.
offered,
Friend.
offered,
Refuse.
certain,
Uncertain.
privacy,
Publicity.
asked,
Answered.
paradise,
Hell.